Hello friends, welcome to our AIMS Today YouTube channel. In today's IIT JEE NEET Foundation class from physics subject, measurement topic we are going to continue. Let's learn about practical units of mass in this video. So along with the SI units and multiples and submultiples of SI units, still in some countries and some areas, people are making use of traditional units. So that units are called practical units. Let's learn about them. So in that first one is ton. So the ton is a non-SI metric unit. It's not SI unit. It's a non-SI metric unit of mass equal to 1000 kilograms. So 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilograms. It is commonly referred to as metric ton in the United States. So actually it is derived from the mass of 1 cubic meter of pure water, 1 cubic meter of pure water, which is kept at a temperature of 4 degrees centigrade. That means 1000 liters of pure water has an absolute mass of 1 ton. So if you take 1 cubic meter of volume, means 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth and 1 meter height, this entire volume, if you take a container like this, in this if you take pure water, this entire volume, whatever volume is there, in that if it is filled with pure water, the mass of that pure water without the mass of container, only the mass of that pure water which is kept at 4 degrees centigrade is considered as ton, which is equal to 1000 kg. 1 ton equal to 1000 kg. In the place of kilo, we can keep 3 zeros because kilo means 10 cube. So 1 after 6 zeros we will get. So which is equal to 1 megagram. So 1 ton equal to either we can tell 1000 kilogram or 1 megagram. So next, quintal. So the quintal or centner, another name for quintal is centner, is a historical unit of mass which is used in many countries, which is usually defined as 100 base units. Means 1 quintal is equal to 100 base units. 1 quintal is equal to 100 base units. The base unit we may take it as pound or we may take it as kilogram. So it is used commonly for grain prices in wholesale market in India, where 1 quintal equal to 100 kilograms. So in the wholesale markets, while measuring the grain or while measuring the grain prices, they will measure in terms of quintals. So 1 quintal equal to 100 kgs. Pound. So actually we have currency also with the name pound, but here pound means the unit of mass here, not currency. The pound, or sometimes it is also called as pound mass. Pound mass is a unit of mass used in the imperial system of units. Imperial system of units means the unit system followed by the British people, or United States customary. United States customary means before the United States becoming independent country, before that they make use of some British systems. So that is called United States customary. So in imperial system of units and this United States customary and some more system of measurements, still they are making use of pound instead of kilogram as a unit of mass. So 1 pound is less than 1 kilo, which is equal to 0.456 kilograms. The symbol for pound is LB. So next, atomic mass unit. It is used to measure mass of atoms and molecules. We know that the matter is made up of atoms and molecules. to know their mass, we will make use of this atomic mass unit. So the universal mass unit, it is also called as universal mass unit, sometimes abbreviated as U or sometimes AMU, is defined as 1/12 of the mass of the carbon-12 atom. 1/12 of the mass of the carbon-12 atom. Actually, the mass of carbon-12 atom is defined exactly as 12 atomic mass units, 12 U or 12 AMU. 12 U or 12 AMU. Out of 12 parts, if we divide this 12 with 12, if we make it into 12 equal parts, then one part, then that coefficient one part is considered as atomic mass unit. Here 12 carbon means the carbon atom having 6 protons and 6 neutrons, altogether 12 nucleons. Inside the nucleus it is having 12 subatomic particles whose atomic mass is 12. Means atomic mass unit means from the carbon atom, whatever atomic mass it is having, we have to divide it with 12, then we will get 1 AMU. Basing on this, we can find out the atomic mass unit of all the other atoms and molecules. So the value of one atomic mass unit is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So astronomical unit of mass, or we call it as solar mass. The solar mass is standard unit of mass in astronomy. Means to find out the mass of stars and other planets or galaxies, we will make use of this unit called solar mass, whose value is equal to 2 into 10 power 30 kilogram. Means the mass of sun. The mass of sun is considered as solar mass. The mass of sun mainly composed of that hydrogen atoms fusing into helium atoms. It is considered as solar mass. It is used to measure the mass of the stars, whose mass is equal to 10 octillion tons, which is equal to 2 into 10 power 30 kg. 2 into 10 power 30 kg. We can also call it as 2 octillion tons, not 10, 2 octillion tons. So it is used to measure, indicate the masses of stars, clusters, nebulae and other galaxies. In the same way, we have some practical units of time also. Let's see some of them. 1 shake equal to 10 power minus 8 seconds, 1 minute 60 seconds, 1 hour 3600 seconds, 1 decade 10 years, 1 century 100 years, 1 millennium 1000 years, 1 mean solar day. One day is going to have 24 hours and each hour is going to have 60 minutes and each minute is going to have 60 seconds. If again 60, again if you multiply with 60, we will get the total value of 86,400 seconds. These are the practical units of time. They are not the SI units, but in normal usage or daily usage, we will make use of these units. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.